Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. I know I'm wearing the same scarf and shirt as a couple other videos, but I try to do videos whenever I have some free time, and yeah, I try to do as many as I can. But for this video, surprise surprise, so all of these videos have been unboxings, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. So let me know if you guys are tired of unboxings, because I know I'm not. I mean, I love, and if you guys have seen my previous video, I talk about why I like, to do unboxings. I like to share the joy with you guys, and yeah, I just love it when people do unboxings too, and I watch every video that, my friends that I subscribe to do. And yeah, I just love them. But if you guys are familiar with that sticker, I'm not really sure if it's specific to surprise surprise Chanel, but I think they use that that tape on a lot of their packages. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this guy up. This is quite a big box, and it had Saturday delivery, so today is Saturday. I don't know when this video will go up, but yeah, I was excited to get it today because I thought I would get it on Monday, but they went all out and got me some Saturday delivery, so shout out to Chanel over in New Jersey. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to the person who helped me find this item. So she goes by the Chic Detail on Instagram. She posted a picture on her page, and I saw it and I'm like, oh my god, where did you find it? And she gave me the location, and unfortunately the store was closed by the time that I got that information, but I called very early the next morning and I made sure that I got it and it was still there. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. Got my blade, and I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just carefully opening the box. So this, I hope, concludes the saga. I think it's a three-parter here, where I am in search of the perfect gift for my mom, and I really hope this is the one, because the other items that I got, so first I got the flat card case, and now this is, I'm talking about the green caviar leather. And she didn't like that one. Now, I did not show her the extra large card case, but just knowing what she carries, I didn't think, after much thought, she would really use it. But I saw this one. Let me just go ahead and open this with you guys. Okay. This is a much bigger box than what the item is. There's a ton of paper. Let me just set this down. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Here is the item. Now let me put all this in. And I'll use this as a table. Okay. So here we go. Okay, this is a big plastic bag. Okay, so So here is the box, and I did ask the SA that I was talking to include the white sleeve, and so she was able to do that. Remember, if you don't ask, you're not gonna get it. And I also asked for a shopping bag. That was really nice of her. Alright, so here is the box. Here is my receipt. So as I was saying, so what was I saying? I totally forgot. Anyways, let me just go ahead and open this, and then I'll probably talk a little bit more. So let me take off. Now I need to be very careful because I have to repackage it. So I am just opening this to show you guys what I got. But I do plan, I really hope this is the one that I am going to give to my mom. And so my mom has been having some health issues lately, and I just wanted something to get her to, you know, help cheer her up. And I think this is the perfect piece. So, alright, so here we go. Here is the care booklets. Here is the dust bag. Nothing else in the box. This is actually pretty heavy. But let me show you guys. If you guys already guessed it, it is in that green caviar leather. Let me open it. And oh my goodness. Okay, so here is the, I don't know what this is called. It's called the L gusset flap. Alright, so let me open it so you guys can see inside. Here, let me put this box away so I have more room here. Okay, let me take out this paper. Oh wow, they even like had this thing over the zipper pull here so it doesn't make a mark on the underside. So, and let me go ahead, so here's what the wallet looks like on the inside. Let me take out these pieces of paper so I could show you guys a little bit more in detail, because I have never seen this sized wallet. Well, I'm sure it comes in, you know, a host of different leathers, but I didn't know it came in this size until I saw it on the Chic Details Instagram. I know there is a medium-sized wallet, and I think it's probably, I think there's only like 3 diamonds and like a half on either side. And it opened up sort of like a trifold, but it only had like 5 credit card slots. This one has, I could see there's at least 12. Let me show you guys on the inside. So there are 6 credit card slots on this side, 6 on this side, and there is a slip pocket on this side, and there is a zipper compartment in the center, which I hope, yes. And there is the authenticity card. And let me show you guys real quick in case you guys are interested in this piece. Here are the details. Alright, so take a screen capture of that. So that is the style and the color. But yeah, I think this is the one. And there is also a slip pocket on the back side. Because my mom's been using the same wallet for, I think, the last 5 or so years. And I know because I'm the one who gave it to her. She's been using the Louis Vuitton, I think the Emily wallet, and I just wanted something I just wanted to get her something in this green caviar leather. If you guys have seen my previous videos, because her birthstone is emerald. She was born in you know, in May, which is next month, and yeah, I thought she would just love this color. I wish there was a pocket on the back side though. Too bad there's not. And I definitely know that she'll like this wallet because she has others that are very similar where it just opens like an accordion. Not really a, you know, a trifold. But yeah, this is so exciting. I think my search is over. So yeah, this is the gift, and I'm glad well, I'm not glad that she doesn't watch these videos, but I know she doesn't watch these videos, otherwise it'll spoil the surprise. I did sort of like hinted what she might want, and yeah, I think she'll really appreciate this gift. Oh, and as far as retail, I think the retail on this, let me look at my receipt real quick in case you guys are interested. The retail on this is $1,075. So I don't know if that is the old retail, or because I know Chanel is going through price increases right now, and there are some SLGs and I think bags that are going up in price, so what are you gonna do? But yeah, I know the medium-sized wallet of this type is, I think, $900. So yeah, I didn't really care about the cost of it because I know my mom would like it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this video. And if you're interested in seeing all the other green goodies that I purchased, make sure that you, you know, visit the other videos that I have on this channel. They should be not hard to find. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Hope you liked it. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.